In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic email content in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Dynamic email content is a powerful feature that allows you to personalize your messages based on the recipient's characteristics, such as their interests, location, or past interactions. This means that each subscriber can receive tailored content that is relevant to them, helping to boost engagement and conversions. So let's dive into how you can set this up. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section found in the sidebar menu. This is where you can create a new campaign or modify an existing one. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and click on the Create a Campaign button. Follow the prompts to select your list and other options until you're at the email design stage. If you're using a template, that's perfectly fine too. Now let's talk about adding dynamic content. In the email editor, you'll notice a panel on the right side. Here is where the magic happens. To insert dynamic content, you'll want to use the personalization options available in the toolbar. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of merge tags that you can use. For example, if you want to address each subscriber by their first name, select the first name tag from the dropdown. Simply click on it, and you'll see it inserted into your email wherever your cursor was. This makes your communication feel more personal and inviting. However, you can take it a step further by using what's called conditional content. This allows you to display different blocks of text or images based on specific criteria. To add conditional content, you'll want to create a new block in your email. Click on the Add Content button in the email editor and select Conditional Content from the options. A window will pop up where you can set your conditions. Let's say you want to show a certain message to subscribers who are located in a specific region. You can set a condition based on the location field in your contact records. For instance, if your subscriber is from New York, you could display a special promotion for local events. To do this, just select the condition type and fill in the necessary details. ActiveCampaign will then only show this block to the recipients who meet the criteria. After you've added all the dynamic content blocks, take the time to preview your email. This is crucial because it lets you see how the personalization looks in action. Click on the Preview button, and you can even test how it appears for different segments of your audience. It's a neat way to double-check that everything looks good before sending. Once you're satisfied with how your email looks, don't forget to review your subject line, as this is also a chance to add personalization. Similar to the body of the email, you can use merge tags in the subject line. A subject line like "Exclusive offer just for you, first name" can really grab attention. Finally, when you're all set, hit that Send or Schedule button, depending on your preference. And that's it. Your subscribers will receive emails that feel uniquely crafted for them. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're excited to start adding dynamic email content to your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content.